This is the Lionel 3-rail O-scale Union Pacific Boy Scouts of America ES44, offered by Lionel in their 2010 Volume 2 catalog with a retail price of $850. The model is 18 inches long, weighs a healthy 9 pounds 3 ounces, and has a minimum curve requirement of 0.54. This model boasts all die-cast metal construction, motorized rooftop fans, a highly detailed cab interior with removable roof, and much more.
This is ES44. How's the track look? Are we clear? Over.
ES2010, you're all clear ahead. Over.